Today we are going to be taking a look at a gaming headset which goes for about 50 bucks. This is the K9 headset and this thing works for every platform including Xbox, PlayStation, PC, the Switch, and your phone. So first off, the construction. The headset is pretty darn durable and is made completely of plastic, making it really flexible. On the other hand, the ear cups and band that goes over your head are both made of pleather. The way this headset handles people with different sized heads is by having the band that goes over your head be stretchy instead of having an ear cup that moves up and down. Personally, I prefer the normal way of adjustable ear cups. The cups on this headset seem pretty standard and decently comfy. As well, they have an over-ear design, and on average I could wear them for a little over 2 hours before my ears started to hurt. The part of my ears that would start hurting are the uppermost edges due to the stretchy band that holds them up, which just lets the headphones drop a little too low, and they end up resting on the top of your ears a bit, which definitely doesn't feel good. But like I said, I was able to play for a pretty good amount of time before it began bothering me. As well, this headset does look pretty cool, but once it's on your head, it does look a bit funny. Now for arguably the most important thing when picking a new headset for gaming, the audio quality. This headset has 50mm drivers and a frequency range of 20 to 20,000 Hz. I tested this headset on a bunch of stuff. I was playing lots of different games and even listening to music. The overall audio quality is pretty darn good. Everything sounds balanced, the bass is good except when it gets really low, then it's not going to have that punchiness to it and it ends up being a bit lackluster. And also when turning up the volume all the way up, there's no distortion at any point. This thing sounds like a good quality mid-range headset. Also, due to the fact that these aren't too tight in your head and just the design in general, I was expecting them to have a good amount of noise leakage, but these things do a really great job of keeping all the sound in, so noise leakage is something that you definitely don't have to worry about. Next, I'm actually going to switch over to the microphone on this headset while I talk about it so you can hear it for yourself.
So something I really like about the microphone is how much it bends. No matter which way you twist or position it, it's going to stay like that. There's also a nice little on and off switch on it for quick muting. As well, this microphone is said to have noise cancelling capabilities. The actual microphone quality on this thing obviously isn't going to amaze anyone, but it works perfectly fine for in-game chat and stuff like that.
And back to a good microphone. Some other small things that I also wanted to mention include the fact that the wire connecting this headset to everything else follows that rope style, so it's going to be a lot more durable than your traditional wire, but don't worry, it's still going to find ways to tangle up into little loops. As well, besides the on and off switch on the mic and the volume slider on the back left ear cup, there are no other switches or buttons on this headset. Overall, for about 50 bucks, what are you getting? Well, with the K9 headset, you're getting pretty standard good audio, great build quality so you don't have to worry about this thing breaking at all, decent mic quality which serves its purpose well, cool design which looks a bit funny while wearing them, convenient volume and muting controls, and decent comfortability which lasts for about 2 hours before it starts to bother your ears. I think that for 50 bucks, this is a good deal. I really wish the headband that holds the headphones up was a bit tighter so it wouldn't hurt your ears, but nevertheless, this is still a quality pair of low, mid-range headphones. Thanks for watching. The link to this headset will be in the description below. As well, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.